not bad. So deconvolution and generate automatic mask. So pixels to around about 1.8 radius. I'm going to raise the fuzz to around about 10. And just let that. Takes a while, so there's a subtle difference. Oops. Takes a bit of glare out of the stars and a little bit more detail, so I'm going to keep that. Now I'm going to go straight to colour and fill the mask. I've been playing about with these different parameters, and artistic detail aware seems a very good one. And we'll bring the dark saturation up to 8. Drop that by 25% or so. Choose a white star, and it sort of automatically, but it can be a bit aggressive, so bring it down to the green down to 130 and the blue to 115 and see what happens. Maybe a bit too saturated, so I'll drop that down to 70%, 170%. Yeah, I'm going to reduce the blue and the green a little bit more. Reduce the saturation another 5%. That's quite good. I'll keep that for now. Yeah. So I'm going to go to life and just a moderate. And that should bring out a lot, a fair amount more. You can overdo this really easy though. So I'll probably reduce the strength of the result. I think I need a star mask on that. Fat stars. I don't want to brighten the stars up. If anything, I want to reduce them, so I'll invert a star mask and try again, see how it comes out. That's better, but I'm going to reduce it. By reducing it, you actually increase the strength with life. And reduce it a bit more. Okay, that'll do. I like that. That's good. So now I'm going to just darken up the darker areas a bit. So we'll clear our mask, select similar brightness, and click on the dark areas. Okay, we'll try similar colour. That's better. So click on the dark spot and it chooses all the dark areas. A little bit there. We need to invert the mask. Keep it. Now I'm going to go back to life. Choose isolate. Okay. Raise the mask fuzz to around about 10. And do. Alright, that's been quite aggressive with the dark areas, so reduce the strength by a fair amount. I only want a shade darker. Maybe too much still. Reduce that down to. That's all I'm looking for. That's good. I'll keep that. I'm going to clear the mask. And this time, I'm just going to choose a single toggle pixel, pixel toggle, and on these little bits of detail, I want to highlight a little bit. So I'll choose to just draw a line on these little bits of detail. Just a single line. It just helps highlight and bring a little more detail out. On the prominent lines that you can see around the edge here. I'll draw it once, just once, and keep. Now if we go back to life again, moderate, saturation, raise, say 75%, do and see how it turns out. It's highlight them bits a little bit more. It's too much. Go the other way, don't we? If you see up here, I'll keep that. And go back to a mask with the star mask again. Clearing the old mask. Grow it once, invert it, keep it. I'm going to try a little bit of sharpening now. Keep it on large and medium. Don't really bother with the small structure size. I mainly do it on large. About 150% amount. Too much. I'll go to the preset 100%. That's it, just a subtle difference is all I'm looking for. Alright, so I'm happy I've done all I need to at the moment, so I'm going to now do my main noise reduction. Stop tracking, do final noise reduction. The grain size, I like to, well, obviously you need to choose what's best till the big clumps of grain have disappeared. Yeah. Click next. Okay. We're going to keep the partial mask because I don't want to reduce the noise of the stars. I'm going to raise the smoothness to about 80%. That should smooth it out quite nicely and get rid of all these little clumpy mixed coloured pixels. That's exactly what I'm looking for, so I should keep that. Now I'm going to go back to the mask, invert it so we've got our stars, and I'm going to go to magic and just reduce the star size by tightening. That's done a nice job. Good. So now I'm going to save this before I go on to my next, as a tip image before I take it into my next stage.